computer. Guys, can anyone tell me the content left other than what I'm writing? This is number 1. Composite functions. This was the first content. What was the second content, guys? You don't even remember. I remember. Types of function. What else, guys? Point number 3. मुझे पता था तुम लोग जो है ना रिवाइज करके नहीं आओगे.
So we don't remember the, what do you call, the portion which we have to do.
Yeah. So why
But
will we
There
note
are
that
also
down?
inverse functions, right?
No,
Functional
I
equation
no.
was done.
Do you remember last time only I had written these 3 that we are left with this 3.
So we studied what the previous stuff was, not this.
No, but I told you that we have to do this much in the last lecture. We had finished one periodicity in last lecture and we are left with these 3. Today we are
Yes.
going to finish with this one. And I'll give you homework on this. Only 20 questions, which are all belonging to your booklet, and booklet is over after that. Booklet of this particular content will be over after that.
Just do you
Right.
recommend that we solve the booklet, like for the topic?
You can. If you wish to, you can. But I'll be teaching this and I'll be giving the homework. If you finish that homework, that means you are finishing your booklet itself. That's it.
Okay.
But you try and understand what is the content, what is the concept. Composition of function means 2 different functions are given to you, something like that. But this is your domain set A, set B. Let us consider the name of this function be f. If this is x, what do we call it, bacho?
The domain.
F of x,
Achha.
isn't it? If this is x, then this is f of x. Provide this is f. And guys, what if I erase this and I write something else, like if this one is x and this one is k, name of the function is k, then what is this?
K of x.
K of x. Now guys, from this set to this set, I'm going to run another set. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And this name is M. Then guys,
M of K of x.
M of K of x. And we write it M of kx. Or we write it M of K of, I'm sorry, M of K of x, of K of x. This is called composition of function K and function M. Guys, it's something like this. If f is defined from A to B and g is defined from B to C, then guys, GOF is defined from A to C. It's something like this, If this function is this function is GOF, you are defining, so f is defining from A to B. This is f. This is G. Then from this place to this place, GOF is defined. I'll make another figure, no doubt. This is something like this, guys.
So GOF only stands for you combined
Yeah.
function f and function g.
Yes. Combined function. This is f from A to B. Here we put x, here we get fx. From B to C, the name of the function is g. Right. Then this is f, then this is g of fx. That means from this place to this place, name of the function is g of fx. Do you agree with this, guys? Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Guys, it's
Yes,
must,
sir.
it's must. If you understand, if fx is not here, if fx is not here, fx is element of B. What is B, guys? Domain of
G.
G. I mean, range of f should be range of f must lie in domain of G. Say yes or no, guys.
Yes.
If it is not here, fx is not here, then G to define nahi hoga. If 2 is here, then we'll get G of 2 here, isn't it? 2 यहाँ नहीं होगा तो G of 2 आएगा किधर से? नहीं आएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
This is the fundamental part, guys, which is very easy actually. This content is very easy, but you should understand to solve the questions actually. Try to understand, guys, this thing. If you have been given fx is equal to 2x plus 1, gx is equal to x square. Guys, the question is, what is g of fx? Then it will be g of fx. What is fx? 2x plus 1.
So that'll be 2x plus 1 the whole square.
Yeah, that is 2x plus 1 whole square. Guys, another question is, what is f of gx? Means f of
2x
x
square
square.
plus 1.
F of x square means this x को replace करेंगे x से, x square से, 2x square plus 1. Guys, another question, what is f of fx?
2 into
F of
2x plus 1.
f of fx. Fx is 2x plus 1. 2 into 2x plus 1. That is nothing but 4x plus 2.
Then there's a plus 1 after that
Yes, the
also.
plus one.
Oh, I'm sorry. This should be 3. What is g of gx, guys? G of gx.
So x square the whole
G of
square.
G of
Yeah,
x square.
X raised to 4, basically.
X square whole square. I am replacing here. That is x raised to power 4. Simple story. This is a simple story. Of composite functions. Guys, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Nothing big
Yes.
in this particular topic except one thing, that you should understand the content what is being taught. Now, what are the varieties he is going to ask you, and when this variety mix with other topics, say periodicity, types of function, then it creates good questions actually. I'll take one by one, like, first I'll take few questions for you. And first of all, you should understand, guys, this is not the question which JEE main or advanced going to ask. I'm pretty sure ऐसे questions कभी नहीं पूछे गए हैं, कभी नहीं पूछे जाएंगे इस तरह के questions. But which type of questions you are going to face, and IIT has asked mains and advanced both I'm talking about. Just give me 10 seconds.
So can you show the previous slide?
Guys, I've got the question. Can I move on the next? Guys, can I move on the next?
Yes, sir.
Guys, asking first question, which is reasonable question for JEE Advanced or mains. It's a question of mains actually, mains level. It's not been asked. Mains level. What is asking, guys? A function is defined from R to R. right? And you have been given f of x is equal to 1 hour, 1.5 hour. If you guys put hard work, you'll be able to finish your practice sheet very fast for some positive value of a. I mean, this function is defined for positive values of a, right? If
Yes.
f of root 2 is equal to minus root 2, find a. Guys, I'm giving you 2 minutes. If you can find a, would be good. Otherwise, I'll explain. It's easy. Options are given here. I'll write the options. Root 2, two, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. Those who are able to solve it, please raise your hand the moment you get it. Guys, next question will be of advanced level. Okay, so solve this. Okay. Why did you lower your hand once if you've done it? Was there anything wrong?
So
Okay.
the options don't match, I think.
Okay. Adit, and how do you pronounce your name here? It's very special name for me, first time. Tham Thamraj. Am I right?
Thamaraj, sir.
Thamaraj. You're Thamaraj. You're from Dadar branch. Restricted, prohibited for 2 questions. Am I right? Say yes or no.
What, sir?
You're from Dadar branch.
Yes, sir.
Dadar OD2. Today we met.
Fendi.
For that one lecture only he came.
Thamaraj.
So you hit him too hard, so it kind of hurt him a lot.
No. He didn't mind it. Ask him.
Arre
So he
sir,
left
He left
after that
pace
lecture.
after that. He went
he
home.
left pace
तो
sir.
सेकंड लेक्चर के बाद भाग गया तो
No, this is wrong. Thamaraj, this is not correct, beta. Never do this. 8 students have done it. May I know 8 students? How many students have got D option correct out of 8?
Yes.
Almost
Yes.
everyone.
Sir, I got it.
No,
Yes, sir.
7. One has not got D option. He got something else. But your D option is right. देखो ध्यान दो.
So D option is right, right?
Yeah, D option is correct. 8th participant has come actually. He is also got it. Pacho, what is f of root 2? First of all, tell me. I'll write the solutions
So
here.
instead of x, you put root 2 and then
F
you
of
get
root 2.
2a
What is
minus
f of root 2? Tell me first. 2a minus root 2.
2a
Am I right?
minus 2.
2a minus root 2. Isn't it? I remember f of root 2.
Yes,
Put
sir.
root 2 over here. Now second question. Pacho, f of root 2. F of root 2 means you have to find f of 2a minus root 2. Am I right? So what do you get? What do you get? This is given to you minus root 2 actually.
So you get a into brackets.
A into bracket
root 2
2a
the
minus
whole
root 2 whole square.
So minus root 2 equals minus root 2.
minus root 2 equals minus root 2. Guys, this is over.
And then everything is just solved. One second.
Either a is equal to 0
और a is
or
1
2a minus root 2 is equal to 0. But a is equal to 0 is rejected. Tell me why.
Because in the question it's given.
Yes.
For positive value of a. So a is clearly 1 by root 2. D option is right. It belongs to the mains level actually. But your advanced level question I'm going to give. Let's see how many of you can do this. बच्चों you've been given, आपको लिखना पड़ेगा हाँ. You've been given f1x is equal to, ये कर ही लो, इधर ही कर लो. इधर करोगे तो फिर शीट करने में, बुकलेट करने में बहुत फायदा रहेगा, मतलब जल्दी बन जाएगा. f1x is equal to x. This is advanced level. f2x is equal to 1 minus x. f3x is equal to 1 by x. f4x is equal to, there are 6 functions, bacho. 1 minus x. f5x is equal to, f5x is equal to x upon x minus 1. And one more function, f6x is equal to, f6x is equal to x minus 1 by x. What has been given if f6 of fmx is equal to f4x and fn of f4x is equal to f3x. Find mod m plus n. 2 minutes. No, 5 minutes I can give. No issues. Try.
Sir, is there any options?
बच्चों इसमें ऑप्शंस नहीं दिया हुआ है, मतलब इंटीजर टाइप है ना, कैसे ऑप्शन दूं बताओ. फाइंड m plus n mod आ गया ना. आंसर लिख दूं क्या अगर तुम्हें आएगा तो बोलो क्या.
No.
Oh, no.
Okay,
Because
try.
math
Try बच्चों,
was the answer.
try. I'm writing another question for homework that is also advanced level. Fx is equal to ax plus b. Gx is equal to bx plus a. AB belongs to set of natural numbers. If g of f of 50 minus no guys, this is minus, this is plus. Wait a minute. If f of g of 50 minus g of f of 50 is equal to 28. Find AB, product AB. $12 and 213. Two answers are there. This is homework. Guys, try for the second question first. Third question is homework. We'll move for the next afterwards.
So what's the answer?
No, sir, no need answer. Wait, sir, no.
So can you show the previous slide? Done, sir.
Take the pictures of this. I mean, take the screenshot and post it on the group.
Done, sir.
Guys, do you allow me to solve this question?
Sir, no need answer. Wait.
So what's the answer?
It's 11.
Okay.
M is equal to 6, N is equal to 5.
Yes.
You've been given this part. Okay. Just see. F6 of FMX. F6. FMX. FMX is equal to F4X. So what is F6? F6. Here I have to put FMX. Here I have to put FMX. F6 of FMX is what, guys?
Sir, fmx minus 1 upon fmx.
F6 FMX minus 1 divided by FMX is equal to F4X. F4X 1 upon 1 minus X. Can you find FMX, guys? Cross multiply.
Sir,
Sir, it
x
comes
minus
out to
1
be
upon
6. So,
Ha, bolo.
so this comes out to be 6.
So this is 1 minus X multiplied by this multiplied by this. FMX is coming out to be what? Can you tell me FMX क्या आता है solve करने पे?
So we can use dividendo.
Yes, that is better actually.
So x minus 1 by x. So whatever. So you get the same answer.
Guys, you can do one thing. Subtract this in the numerator or subtract this in the denominator. One out of the two. Dividendo apply कर रहे हैं. So FMX minus 1 minus FMX. upon fmx is equal to 1 minus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. You must be knowing this rule. Minus 1 upon fmx is equal to this. So fmx is coming out to be what, guys? Can you tell me? X minus 1 by x. Here it is. fmx is equal to this. What is m, bacho? Just look at this.
6. Yes, sir.
M is equal to 6. Isn't it? Now, guys, finding this one is a little trivial, but I'll do it with a method actually. Try and understand. Guys, I'm taking the second one. Fnx is of f4x. Fn of f4x. What is f4x? F4x. 1 upon 1 minus x. Is given to you f3x. F3x is 1 by x. Guys, do one thing here. Let 1 upon 1 minus x is equal to z. Then 1 upon z will be equal to 1 minus x. Cross multiply. X take it this side. Then x comes out to be 1 minus 1 by z. That is z minus 1 by z. Then guys, what is fnx? Fn 1 upon 1 minus x, z. Z is equal to 1 upon x, reciprocal of this, z upon z minus 1. What is it, guys? What is n? Z upon z minus 1. Z
Five.
upon z minus 1.
So,
Hmm.
so how did we know what to do in this case? So I got the first one. So is it used the second one?
No,
So
no, no, no. That's what I solved it actually. Otherwise, intuitively, you were going to solve it. I said Fn of f4x. F4x. What is f4x? 1 upon 1 minus x. I'd put it here. Is equal to f3x. What is f3x? 1 by x. Now I'm getting this equation. Now I don't need this over here. 1 upon 1 minus x. So I'll put 1 upon 1 minus x as z. So that I get f of z is equal to this. Then compare with all these 6 functions. This function, compare with all these 6 functions. What is the value of n?
5.
Got it, guys? So what is m plus
Yes.
n?
11.
This is advanced level problem, bacho. Yeah, you will try this question. Answers 2, 12 and 2, 1. It's not difficult one, but yes, it takes time. थोड़े calculation में time लग जाता है. इसका एक screenshot ले लो फटाफट से. I'll move towards the second type. I mean one more type.
Done, sir.
Done?
1 sec.
सर ये वाले क्वेश्चन में मैंने डायरेक्ट m और n को सब्स्टिट्यूट करके ट्राई किया.
No, वो मत करो. Always try with the origin. What he is asking, origin से try करो, like this.
So, but I just quickly substituted everything. And whatever worked, I mean, yeah. it
Hit and
worked,
trial
yeah.
works many times, but sometimes you are stuck.
Yeah.
In exam it works.
So do you recommend we try hit and trial?
No,
Because
no. I never
go
recommend.
towards that. Never go towards that stuff, right?
Never.
So that is only when you're actually giving the JE or nahi aa raha, you have time little bit left.
Definitely. That time you will never follow me. I know that. If you don't know anything in the question and you want to put your style in solving question, you'll have to do that. No, that is not the learning part. Teacher do not teach that actually, and you do not follow the teacher that time. Barabar, no?
So because in the exam, our goal is to score marks. It's
Yes. You are right. That time you never think L hospital rule लगाना है कि नहीं लगाना है. अगर differentiate करने से आंसर आ रहा है, you never follow कि भरत सर ने मना किया मत लगाओ. Right, लगाना ही चाहिए. मैं खुद बोलता हूँ लगाना चाहिए. जल्दी सब सॉल्व हो रहा है तो लगाना चाहिए. Can I change the page, बच्चों?
Yes.
Okay, listen. Guys, ये एक different type of question है. We'll practice only 2 questions. One I'll teach, another you will have to solve. Guys, ध्यान दो. The question is, you've been given fx is equal to, guys, इसका algebraic method जो है ना booklet में दिया हुआ है, पढ़ लेना, एकदम फालतू है. It's very easy actually. I'm not going to teach that. The graphical method I want to discuss. 3 minus x. It's been given. It is true for x greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 2. And this is for x greater than 2, less than equal to 3. Okay. He's asking find f of fx. Guys, when the question is given in the branches and he's asking to find f of fx, what to do? Just concentrate. Concentrate. Guys, I'm not asking you to solve it. Please concentrate. Guys, my question is to find, wait a minute. My question is to find f of fx. So I'll obviously write my first step as I'll replace x by fx. I'll get 1 plus fx, 3 minus fx. X is replaced by fx. X is here, 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 and here. So here fx is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 2. Here fx is greater than 2, less than equal to 3. Guys, how do you identify? What is this written actually? Fx between 0 and 2. What does it mean?
1 plus x.
No,
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 no, no. Fx is between 0 and 2 means kya?
The range
Y
of
का value of y,
x
no,
between
value of
0
y,
and 2.
value of y,
Yeah.
value of y,
X
isn't it?
belongs to 0 to 3.
I mean, when you draw the graph of fx, then fx between 0 and 2 means value of x or value of y?
Y.
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 Value of y. Okay. So guys, when you find such a situation where fx is between this and this, then draw the graph of this function. Draw. जो भी यहाँ आएगा ना गाइस, वो ड्रॉ करना है. जो भी यहाँ आएगा उसको ड्रॉ करना है. fx का ग्राफ, इसका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है. Guys, can you tell me what is it? What graph is this? Y is equal to
Y
1
is equal
plus
to
x.
x plus 1.
Y is equal to x plus and 1 is what? Straight line? No,
Yeah.
no, it's a line segment.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
From 0
Domain.
to 2 only you have to make. No. Just step 1, step 1, step 1. Step 2. Draw graph of fx. Let us draw. Guys, from 0 to 2 is a line segment. What is the value of x equal to 0? X equal to 0.
1.
1. What is the value at 2?
3.
This is 0. This is 2. I must put a name here. This is nothing but fx equal to 1 plus x. Isn't it? Guys,
Yes.
what is this? What is this graph, guys? What is this graph? Second one.
So, oh, that's the linear graph, but that comes from
So
x
negative x slope will be negative x and it will be displaced by plus 3. So plus 3 it will
Yes, yes, yes. Just tell me one thing. Can I put x equal to 2 here?
Yes, sir.
No, no,
No.
no, no, no.
This is greater than 2, not equal.
So for circle ka to show that it is not ending over there.
Yes, yes, yes. There'll be a circle at x equal to 2. So what is where do I put, this is 2. What is the value at 2? Just tell me.
So 1.
1. This height is 1. I'll put a circle here. Okay. Now, what is the value at 3? Put 3. 0.
So something makes no sense. So what doesn't make sense is that how can fx be 2 and not be 2 at the same time?
No, 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 no. I mean, if I put a dot here, it will not remain a function. If I put a dot here, it will not remain a function. So is
Sure.
given correct. 2 पे ये दोनों जगह इंक्लूड कर नहीं सकता था एक्चुअली, क्वेश्चन में भी नहीं कर सकता था. Got
Okay,
it?
so but how can fx be equal to 2 and not be equal to 2 at the same time? Because
No,
I'm
at
con-
x equal to 2, the branch is different. I'm saying at x equal to 2, value is 3. Value is
Okay.
3. Who's saying it's not there? Is there? Is there? At x equal to 2, it's 3. Why are you saying it's not there? It's 3.
makes sense. Okay, got it. Got it.
At 3, it's 0. At 0, it's 1. Now, guys, what he's asking, just look at this. We are moving ahead. We are moving ahead for the answer. Third step. Step 3 is the answer step. Step 3. यहाँ सीधा आंसर ही लिखा जाएगा बच्चों. हर क्वेश्चन का स्टेप 3 आंसर वाला स्टेप होता है. f of fx is equal to f of fx is equal to, ये आंसर वाला स्टेप है बच्चों. Now बच्चों, find out a branch here. Find out the branch whose height ग्राफ में, फिगर में. Find out the branch whose height are from 0 to 2. 0. This height is 0. What height is 2? What height is this, guys?
3.
3.
Do we want 3? We want 2.
No.
2 is over here.
Second one.
Here, this branch. Let
Yeah.
us mark this branch. Guys, is this the only branch which is
No.
lying between 0 and 2?
No, sir.
No. Then which branch are you talking about which is left? This
Right
branch.
one.
Guys, what's the name of this branch? Can anyone tell me what's the name
F
of
of
this
x equal
branch?
to 3 minus x.
Done. So guys, these are the two branches which are satisfying my condition, this condition. This condition. I have to put the name of the branch here. Bacho, what is the name of this branch?
F of x equals to 1 plus x.
F of x equal to 1 plus x. I have put it here. I have to put it here. Let us put 1 plus f of x is equal to 1 plus x. But guys, tell me one thing. What are the values of corresponding values of x for this?
0 to 1.
0 to 1.
What is the corresponding value here? Guys, tell me.
0 to 1.
1. 1.
1.
X is from 0 to 1. Can I put equal to 0 here, guys?
Yeah.
Because I need the branch between 0 and 2. 0 2. Between 0
Yeah.
and 2. Height 1 is there. 0 पे height 1 मिल रहा है. चाहिए. Guys, चाहिए. I
Yes.
need this branch. Right. Guys, 1 पे equal to लगेगा क्या, guys?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, लगेगा. Because I need this height 2. I need height 2. Height 2 is needed, guys. For what value of x this is coming? That I have to put in front of the branch. fx का value 2. x का value 1 पे बन रहा है. x का value 1 आएगा बच्चों यहाँ पे. आंसर में आएगा. It will be there. It is lying here. ये आंसर में शामिल होगा बच्चों. यहाँ पे. Have we completed this branch, बच्चों? Between 0 and 2?
No, sir.
No. Still, I need to put fx, one more branch. बच्चों, which branch? This branch. fx की जगह में ये ब्रांच और लिखनी है अभी. इसकी हाइट 0 और 2 के बीच में. 0 और 2 के बीच में ब्रांच यहाँ लिखनी है. एक ब्रांच मैंने लिख दी है. एक ब्रांच मेरे को और लिखनी है अभी. यहाँ पे ये वाली ब्रांच और लिखनी है. ये वाली ब्रांच का नाम क्या है? 3 minus x. 3 minus x I have to put here. 1 plus 3 minus x. Corresponding values of x. बच्चों, corresponding values of
0
x.
to 2.
No,
0 to
2
2.
to 3.
Oh,
Open
2 to 3. 2
close
to
3.
3.
Open to
Are you
close 3.
nuts? 0 to 2. This branch.
Oh,
0
2
यहाँ
to
है.
3.
0 यहाँ है. Where are you? 0 यहाँ है और branch यहाँ है. 0 से 2 कोई कैसे बोल सकता है?
Sir,
कोई
open
ऐसी
2 to
गलती कर
3
भी कैसे
first.
सकता है? How idiotic mistake you are making here. Guys, 0 to 2. Is there any branch 0 to 3 minus x?
No, sir.
So what is the name of what are the values of x? Do tell me. Guys, tell me. What are the values of x?
Open 2, close 3.
X greater than 2 and less than equal to 3. Guys, can I put 2 equal to here? Here. You let me know.
No,
Guys,
it's open.
No, no.
why shouldn't I put 2 equal to here?
Because when you put x equals to 2, you get y equals to 3, which we don't want.
Arey Baba, for x equal to 2, this branch is itself not defined. For x equal to 2, this branch is not defined. I cannot put this branch for x equal to 2 here. This branch is not defined for x equal to 2. So I cannot put equal to 2 here. Guys, have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have you completed the question, guys, or something
No,
left?
no.
Second one.
Second step.
Second one left. Now you need to identify the branch between 2 and 3. Between 2 and 3. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Just put a mark here. Mark here. This branch you need. This branch between 2 and 3. Guys, you have to put it here. What is this? 3 minus. Guys, 3 minus. What to write here? Bracket. What is the name of this branch? Guys, what is the name of
1
this
plus
branch?
x.
Plus x.
1 plus x. What is the corresponding values of x? What are the corresponding
Greater
values?
than 1, less than equal to 2.
Greater than 1, less than equal to 2. Why greater than 1? Why not equal to 1, guys?
So because we don't want y equals to 2, f of x must
Because
be
we
greater
don't
than
want y
2.
equal to 2. We want fx greater than 2. Fx above 2. Above 2. Fx above 2. This branch above 2. Above 2 means after 1. X equal to 1. After x equal to 1. X greater than 1, less than equal to 2. Answer. Bacho, answer. If you want to simplify this, this will be nothing but f of fx is equal to, what is this? 2 plus x. It's all Mazduri. 4 minus x. What do you get this from this place? 2 minus x. X belongs to 0 to 1. X belongs to open 2 to close 3. X belongs to open 1 to close 2. Answer. Guys, have you understood this? This is very easy actually.
Yes.
So basically, sir, in this, what you did was you went branch wise, right?
Yes,
You took-
yes.
You took x as fx. Then
Yes.
after that, took the first branch first. So you took fx between, basically you took this graph between where fx is between 0 and 2.
Yes, yes.
The entire graph. Then you took it between 2 and 3.
These two branches, entire graph. Entire graph I have put in here.
You substituted there, and then
Then
you put
another
x
branch. You have explained it well
by
actually.
the branches between this, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You are right. Guys, can you solve such problems now?
Yes.
So
sir.
let's note it down. So just 1 second.
Yeah, you can do. You can do that. By that time, I'm sending you the homework depending on this actually, right? So we'll do one or two questions from the homework also. Okay. Guys, please note down this. Please note down this. Everyone, I'm requesting, please note down this. Even if you are taking screenshot, you should note down this. You'll gain confidence. Guys, please check if you've got the homework part, which is very important. I repeat it once again, very important. You guys need to
Yes,
solve
sir,
each and
got it.
every question of this.
Yes.
Got it.
So we really discussed the homeworks. You haven't discussed a single homework. So.
You can ask me the homework. There's no issue, guys. Guys, I
So we
want you to
discussed
solve
the group.
question number 12. Can I change the slide?
Yes.
Solve question number 12. Guys, होमवर्क में इन्वेस्टर को नहीं किया है तो लीव क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 not to do.
And so we have identical functions also left.
No, but that is not the big part. Identical function means 2 minutes. If you wish, I can complete it at this moment.
Yes, sir. We
I
do.
have done identical functions where we take as minus or something.
We have done it. He's just want me to repeat that. That's it.
No, sir, we haven't done it. So I asked on the
Arey
group.
yaar, it's very easy.
I know it might be easy, but just tell us later. sir.
Okay, no issue. I'll let you know. Just wait. Guys, you need to solve each and every question of this other than like, this, question number 18. There are 19 questions which covers your entire, composite function part. Guys, you can see question number 20 we have done in class.
Yes, sir.
So 19 only left for you and the solution is there, but solution is not that one like, what you have done. Solution is something different actually. जो हम लोगों ने किया उससे different है.
Sir, it covers all the questions. Sir,
Yeah, बोल बेटा.
सर ये बुकलेट के हर एक क्वेश्चन को कवर करते हैं.
हाँ, बुकलेट के ज्यादातर क्वेश्चंस कवर हो जाएंगे इससे. थॉट प्रोसेस सबका कवर हो जाएगा. बुकलेट के सेम क्वेश्चन नहीं होंगे, बट बुकलेट के सारे क्वेश्चंस की जो थॉट प्रोसेस है वो कवर हो जाएगी. ये तेरा क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 तो जेई का क्वेश्चन है, जेई एडवांस का क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 जेई एडवांस, विंडो थ्रू जेई एडवांस का क्वेश्चन है ये, तो देख लेना विंडो पे होगा ये क्वेश्चन. Those who are able to solve question number 12, please raise your hand. It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. I'm telling you, it's very easy. Guys, I'm surprising.
So almost done.
Doing it, so wait, sir.
It's a question of 10 seconds, not more than that. Why are you making graph? Are you making graph? Are you making graph?
Yes, I was making graph.
Why? Why are you making graph? Why are you making graph? Just look at this question. I'm not solving. What is gx, guys, here? Gx is
1
1
plus
plus.
fractional part.
It is always positive. Gx
Yeah.
is always positive. What is fx? Fx is 1 if x is less than 0. Is 0 if fx 0. Sorry, x 0. It's -1. No, it's -1. It's 1 if x greater than 0. Now you want what? F of gx? No, f of gx. F of gx.
So is the answer 1?
Yeah, f of gx. When you put gx here, where will you put? Here, no, here. Gx greater than 0. Guys, gx greater than 0.
Because
So what's
this
the
is
answer?
window to JEE main, right?
Yeah. No, you just to look at window to JEE advanced. You'll find this question in screening problems.
So,
Yeah,
so
please
when
go
they're
ahead.
given f of g of x, that's not fractional part of g of x.
बच्चे x minus box x क्या होता है?
No, no, no. I'm saying then for all x, f of fractional part of g of x is equal to. They've asked that, no?
No, 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 no.
Oh, Are, so then it's a 1 second job, yeah.
Yeah,
Arey,
sir. It's
remember
confusing,
one
sir.
thing. Look. I've understood your question. Remember, until and unless he's not announcing for this and this. These are simple brackets. Simple brackets.
Okay. Are, so then we would have finished in 1 second only.
1 second. It's a question of a second only. Guys,
Yeah.
is there anyone having doubt? Guys, if you put gx here, gx is positive. That means put gx here. Answer is 1. What is the issue? ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं आईआईटी में, बस समझ में आना चाहिए. कंसेप्ट क्लियर है तो बच्चों फिर दिक्कत नहीं है. बच्चों, can I proceed for the next identical functions?
Yeah.
Yes.
बच्चों, it's very
So wait,
easy.
let me take a screenshot. So.
Just a moment. होमवर्क बच्चों,
Sure.
एक मिनट रुक स्क्रीनशॉट रुक.
Okay.
होमवर्क मैं लास्ट पेज पे लिखता हूँ ना. आइडेंटिकल फंक्शन.
Sir, so composite is over.
या आइडेंटिकल कॉम्पोजिट का एक छोटा सा पार्ट उसमें लेंगे बेटा. टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन में, टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन में ये आएगा ना, 1 1 many 1,
1 on 2.
राइट. ये जब आएगा ना तब इसमें कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन का करीब 10 मिनट्स मेरे को चाहिएगा. उस टाइम में 10 मिनट्स नीडेड. राइट. अभी नहीं कर सकते. अभी आइडेंटिकल फंक्शन निपटा देते हैं. आइडेंटिकल फंक्शन इट्स अ फॉर्मेलिटी. बच्चों, नाम से ही पता लग रहा है, एफ एक्स एंड जी एक्स और identical if graphs are same. Sin x and sin x.
So there's no difference in this only. So
Yeah.
what is this?
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? They're identical.
So what is
They're
this
identical. They're identical. Okay.
So
Okay.
but now
Laugh at.
then, so
Okay,
the
then
next
laugh at.
आएगा ना,
No,
domain or range.
please look at this. Laugh at this also. Sin square x plus cos square x and 1.
Yes.
Are, sir.
Yes, they're pretty identical, sir.
This is
Identical.
like, what's the point of running?
Okay. Laugh at this question also. Sec square x minus 10 square x
No, sir. Domain is there.
and 1.
So
Not
domain,
identical.
sir, domain.
Because the domains are different.
Yes, sir.
But your
Yes,
two
sir.
functions are identical. F and G are, matlab mathematical language, are identical.
So is this
If,
wherever defined or everywhere?
rukna. Number 1, when. Number 1, domain of F is equal to domain of G. Number 2, range of F is equal to range of G. Number 3, image of F is equal to image of G. इसका मतलब इस तरह का बच्चों, 1 2 AB. This is F. 1 2 AB. This is G. Domain of F is equal to domain of G. Range of F. Okay.
So this is just a fancy way of saying that f of x should equal to g of x for all x.
अरे हाँ
Yes.
यार, वही तो हुआ. But they are not equal. They are not equal.
Okay. So these are not identical then.
हाँ, नहीं होगा ना. Image is different है ना.
Yeah, but the third statement says what I said, na?
हाँ
Okay.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, सब चीजें सेम होनी चाहिए. अच्छा बच्चों एक चीज बताओ, देखो सुनो ध्यान से सुनो, मजाक बहुत हो गया, आप ध्यान से सुनो. When a question is given to you to find whether functions are identical or not identical, to find for fx and gx to be I or ni, right? What is the mathematical criteria? Find, no,
So
I will change. Wait a minute. See if domain of f and g are same. बच्चों पहला क्राइटेरिया ये कर लो. डोमेन तो चेक कर लोगे ना यार, डोमेन चेक करना तो आता है ना. If two
Yes.
functions are given, डोमेन दोनों के देख लो, right? Second criteria, on solving f algebraically, if we get g implies f and g are identical. बच्चों, have you understood this?
Yes.
yes,
Yeah.
सिर्फ डोमेन देखो, ध्यान से सुनो, सब बच्चे ध्यान से सुनो. डोमेन देख लो, दोनों फंक्शंस का डोमेन देखना इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. डोमेन मींस समथिंग लाइक यू आर प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, इफ यू लाइक फुटबॉल, राइट? अदरवाइज द यू आर लाइकिंग गेम. डोमेन देखना उतना इजी होता है बच्चों. दोनों फंक्शंस के डोमेन देख लो, डोमेन देखो, डोमेन इक्वल है कि नहीं. बच्चों अगर डोमेन इक्वल है, लिसन, अगर डोमेन इक्वल है, एक फंक्शन को सॉल्व करने से दूसरा आ जाना चाहिए. एक फंक्शन को सॉल्व करने से दूसरा फंक्शन अगर आ रहा है तो ये फंक्शन आइडेंटिकल होंगे बच्चों, ये फंक्शन आइडेंटिकल होंगे, अदरवाइज आइडेंटिकल नहीं होंगे. लुक एट दिस फंक्शन, डोमेन ऑफ दिस एंड दिस आर नॉट सेम, नॉट आइडेंटिकल. बच्चों ध्यान देना सब लोग. लुक एट दिस फंक्शन, sin square x into tan square x and
Cos square. No,
sin square x minus tan square x. बच्चों डोमेन सेम.
Yeah.
Say yes or no बच्चों.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Now solving this algebraically. बच्चों sin square x, can I write tan square x as sec square x minus 1?
Yeah.
So just multiply. What do you get? Sin square x by cos square x, tan square x, right? Minus sin square x. बच्चों opposite sign मिल रहा है.
So then it's not the same.
Not identical. समझ में आया क्या
Yeah.
बच्चों? लेकिन ये दोनों फंक्शंस, ये वाला और ये वाला आइडेंटिकल है ना.
Yeah.
ये
Yeah.
दोनों आइडेंटिकल है,
Yeah.
बट ये दोनों आइडेंटिकल नहीं है. ऑपोजिट साइन आ गया ना बच्चों. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So
what if it was minus sin square tan square? Then yes.
Then answer is yes.
So can you please explain this again? I had a net lag.
अरे यार वो रिकॉर्डिंग में सुन रहा था, प्लीज.
Okay. Sir.
बच्चों ये जरा
Basically-
ध्यान दो, इसमें ध्यान दो. e raised to power example, e raised to power ln x and x. Why बच्चों? Why?
X doesn't have all domain because x can only be
Yes,
positive in the left,
domain difference. इसका डोमेन क्या है बच्चों?
greater than
X
0.
greater than 0.
इसका डोमेन क्या है?
All real numbers.
Not identical. Got the point? Bachcho, I believe identical, non-identical is not an issue for sure.
So
Yes,
could you
sir.
go to the last slide, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me. What are you asking?
Sir, last slide. Sir, actually, in the third point, actually, that F and G are identical. If that 1 and 2, okay, after checking that, instead of checking that image of F is equal to image of G, is it possible to check that F of X and g of x are equal, then we can say like that. Put in some randomly two or three values.
No. I never prefer that. I never prefer writing the answer randomly. I need the concrete idea behind the problem, behind the solution. I'm sorry.
So, do we need the second point? Because if we have the third point, then it's already correct. Now, the first and third point.
Yeah, that's right. Obviously.
We don't need. Okay.
No. हमने वही किया है, यहाँ पे वही लिखा है. Just check if the domains are same. Check solving one, we are getting the another one.
Okay.
So, उसमें 3 points है पर इसमें 2 points क्यों है सर?
किसमें? तीनों ही
पहले
पॉइंट
side.
है, तीनों पॉइंट कवर हो गए. अरे जब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं ना, इसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो ये पॉइंट अपने आप ही कवर हो जाता है. रेंज सेम होगा तभी तो सेम आएगा.
हाँ सर, तो राइट वाले में वो नॉन आइडेंटिकल क्यों लिखा सर?
ये वाले में ये
राइट वाले में सर, राइट वाला नेक्स्ट पेज.
ये वाला
ये टॉप पे सब ऊपर वाले
ये
में. हाँ
हाँ, तो इसके डोमेन सेम है, बट सॉल्विंग दिस वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द फंक्शन. This is sin square x minus tan square x.
Okay,
This is
sir.
tan square x minus sin square x. So these two functions are not identical. These two are not identical. These two are identical. अरे अगर मैं यहाँ माइनस और यहाँ प्लस कर दूंगा तो आइडेंटिकल हो जाएगा. You understand? Say yes or no,
sir.
guys.
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Now look.
Yes,
Homework.
so
Yes, sir.
All
Sir,
question of
sir, give very less homework. So
composite functions.
why?
Bro,
Sir,
अरे
अच्छा खासा
कितने दिए
vacation मिला
कितने
है.
दिए? How many questions I
So
have given you
18.
बच्चों?
18
How many
are-
questions? Only
One
18.
week awesome.
One we don't have to do. 18.
One we
So-
don't have to do, and one we have already done in class, and one we have done in example. Only 17 questions.
So can you give us module homework also, sir?
नहीं यार अभी ये कर लो, ये वैसे ही रो रहा है, अभी बोल रहा है कि होमवर्क मत दो.
So we don't have that much homework, so just give it some. So if he doesn't want to do it, he won't do it. So just give.
Bro,
No,
ARP
but it's
sir
just
का
fine.
homework
No, I mean we are going channel wise, so there's no issue. There's no issue. I believe there's no issue.
So, but